Hello friends, good morning. I'm Bhavesh Kumar welcoming you all at this great platform, Talent TV. This is a platform not only to explore great business opportunity, but also your inner strength for winning the world. Today we'll discuss about the new opportunity, business having great strength to give you a huge profit in a small investment. We are discussing today not about a small thing, but about the greatest revolution of the century. And this is growth of electrical vehicle industry. Electrical vehicle introduction and growth is surprising everyone. People who entered in this business are making huge profit in small investments. Government, Niti Aayog, and normal people are supporting these products because everyone knows the benefit of electrical vehicle. So be ready to enter into the business.
तो भारत में हमारे लोग क्यों नहीं इलेक्ट्रिक कार कर रहे वो, तो इसके लिए मैंने कहा कि आप इसको बदलो. टेक्नोलॉजी, इनोवेशन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड रिसर्च इज द नॉलेज.
Want to build India as a driver in electric vehicles.
The price parity between internal combustion car and an electric car, and in a globalized market which India is, you'll have a lot of push.
So from the voice of top Indian personality, it is clear that Government of India sees its future in electrical vehicle industry. Let's make our visualization, our understanding more logical with better understanding of product and market situation. Let's start our objection for our own profit. You know, for any product there is a product life cycle. It starts from introduction. The product is introduced. Growth stage by making a small investment, huge profit could be earned. After growth stage, product enters into maturity stage where sales is at the top point and profit is at the last point. From maturity state, if innovation improvisation in the product is not done, then decline starts and margin on the product also decrease. Electrical vehicles are introduced and now it's going to capture a huge market potential. Electrical vehicle industry is in growth stage. Mainly well-known Tesla introduced its product. Now almost all of the countries, Japan, Germany, for future market is running towards the product. In order to save the environment, a drain of petrol and diesel, government is also supporting this environment-friendly product by subsidy, creating barriers for the diesel and petrol vehicles. Now let us understand this product in reference of India about sustainability and economic stability. India is a country that is full of natural resources. Solar energy, abundance of coal, hydraulic water resources, ethanol energy, all these are boon of nature with India. No any country of the world could compare us in these natural resources. Second part, let us understand about the vehicle segment in India. Two-wheeler vehicle segment is 79%, 4% is that of three-wheelers, and economical car market share is more than 12%. Hence, 95% of mass mobility could be converted into electrical vehicle industry. So, electrical vehicle will penetrate into the market for two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and four-wheeler in economical car segment. First glimpse of future penetration you can see in villages and as well as town, running of three-wheelers that is operated by batteries. Now the third part, whenever we are buying a product, we are not only visualizing about it's the cost of purchase, we are also thinking about what are the other costs that are associated with the product. In case of buying a car, we are not only thinking about the cost of the car, we are also thinking about what is the fuel cost, what will be the rear and tear cost, what will be the accidental cost, etc. All these makes total cost of ownership. Electrical vehicle segment, the cost of fuel is zero. Cost of mobile is zero. Here zero means compared petrol and diesel cars, it's negligible small. We'll discuss about the maintenance. The cost of maintenance due to simplified and movable engine is 10 times lower than the petrol and diesel car. Now apart from these, government is also giving huge subsidy and GST benefit. So its purchase costs also decreased. Now in coming days, people prefer to buy electrical vehicle instead of these petrol and diesel operated vehicles. By doing this, they will not only save the cost of purchase but also save the cost of life. Pollution in the cities are also due to these petrol and diesel cars. Substituted electrical vehicles will give them relief in this direction. Buyers will soon give preference to these electrical vehicles. Small percentage of people who will against this be forced by government to utilize. Nitin Gadkari, Road and Transport Minister, clearly indicated that he will bulldoze petrol and diesel car in coming year, give all supports to electrical vehicles. Now let us discuss about economical growth of the country by this electrical vehicle engine. You know, are importing 82% of petrol and diesel crude oil from Middle East or other countries. This is a great burden of 7 lakh crore rupees on us. Balance of trade is against India only due to this crude oil. So government have a long sight, long mission to support this product in order to minimize this trade imbalance. Be free from foreign currencies crisis. Electrical vehicle industry have capacity to release a great pressure of foreign currencies from us. It will give us a new market, new world market for exporting our made electrical vehicle product. It could be a hub for world market, for the global market. Production of battery, for production of electrical vehicle, for production of different accessories related with these vehicles. It's a golden opportunity, it's a golden time for India and its people to move forward and get this opportunity in the hand. Government of India by its subsidiary GST relief in production as well as purchase, Niti Aayog's vision and mission all have to support and make the hub for electrical vehicles in India. All you need to start with ancillaries part or start with making some improvisation, improvement in the established product. Do a little bit market research, find out the gap and enter into the production. Don't wait, start today. We tried our best, give you all sorts of supports for electrical vehicle industry. Then ever, if any questions come your mind, do comment us. We'll sure reply your question. Do like this video and share to your people. Subscribe our channel for have business idea with complete analysis, support, and ideas that can generate entrepreneurship inside you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching.